Good morning. This is vlog 388. It's time to paint a peanut and It is time to paint a peanut. Oh hell, this is paint a peanut and popcorn. So, for those of you who don't know, maybe haven't watched the vlog, this is Kathie, and she builds crazy costumes, weird costumes, things like that's a French fry.
You can't tell.
That's a peanut, and that's a popcorn. I'm not pointing at her head. This is a project for Honda, and Honda, it was a commercial, which I'll link right up here or up here. I'm not really sure. I think it goes there. A Honda commercial that we did quite some time ago. It was a vacuum that was sucking up all these items in the van. So watch it and you'll know what it's about. But we have to redo the costumes. Kathie's redoing the costumes, and I'm about to airbrush them. That's why we need the airbrush from yesterday.
They probably don't understand a thing you just said.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Yeah, that's true.
There is nothing like a brand new toy. Airbrushing popcorn, technically butter on popcorn. Stries, the peanut. The new car has just shown up. The Buick Cascada, not really sure what it is. Gonna swap it with the truck. Doing it right now. A one-day drive with this car, and it was absolutely awesome. We drove from Santa Monica, I think up to Ojai, somewhere like that, but now we get it for a week. It's a convertible. Sweet!
And that's how you paint a peanut.
Okay, peanut done, popcorn done, French fry done, vacuum almost done. These costumes get turned in on Friday. They're actually coming to pick them up. All right, now I'm heading south on PCH going into downtown LA. I'm driving the brand new Buick Cascada. I'm gonna call it the Cascada until further notice, until someone corrects me, but I think Cascada sounds pretty good. This car is about 200 horsepower, about 207 foot-pounds, $36,000 roughly. I did drive this car once before for a day, really enjoyed it. It's a convertible. Always love convertibles, especially driving on Pacific Coast Highway. We'll get some shots of the car on the way down to LA, and then I'll take the top down. Check that out. One of the best things I like about this car is the design, especially the front end. It looks like it doesn't have a front end. Where's the front end? There is no front end on this car. Velcro. Need some bag fabric too for peanuts and popcorns. Whoops. So I got about 3/4 of the way home, about maybe 15 minutes from the pad, and realized I forgot to go to our seamstress. So I had to flip a U-ey and go all the way back, halfway between Malibu and downtown LA. Gives me a chance to drive the car. Just got back. Something happened.
It's gonna sound silly, but it wasn't silly.
Okay.
This is the French fry. And look inside here. I had to climb all the way into the tip so that I could put his ketchup on. It's got little Velcro straps. And it got really hot, and I felt a little sick. And then the phone rang, because Tim was calling me, and I had to wiggle out, and I got stuck. And then it made me not feel good.
And then you kind of panicked.
I panicked.
Not fun to be inside there.
See, I was past that hole, so I was stuck beyond that hole. But it wasn't funny.
Okay, I think we should go to the beach.
Please.
Malibu Road. From here, pretty far, and then that's the colony way down there. That's where we're going. Pretty sure I broke my toe today. I tried to kick the washer.
I know. We got in all sorts of trouble today, from the washer and the French fry.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile.
Better? Not better. Not better. Nothing you can do. Just. Need to get a haircut very soon. If I ask Kathie for a haircut, she goes, just let me know when. It's gonna happen soon because I got Tonga bushy going. Okay, really interesting day. You know, different as days go. A lot of different things that weren't necessarily commingling. We'll talk about the Buick in a second. So what did we do today? You know, Kathie got stuck in a costume and kind of freaked out for a bit. Basically was eaten by a French fry. I broke my toe. I had a fight with a washer that obviously lost because the washer still looks fine and my toe is like all swollen up. That begs the question, little toes, what's the point? I mean, it just sits there. It doesn't really do anything. It's just sitting there waiting for you to break it. Then you can't fix it because it's just once again, it's just sitting there. I think it should evolve and like fall off. Just my 2 cents, you know, toe psychology. Okay, so the Buick Cascada, you know, I liked this car when it showed up, as I said. I still like it now for a number of reasons. It's got a really interesting design cues on the outside, and it's got a really nice interior. After driving the GMC, the truck has a really nice computer interface. It's really easy and ergonomically simple to work, and the Buick's is not quite that simple. Just to make a phone call, do a few things, takes a couple of extra steps. I'm sure that they'll be fixing that and upgrading it to what is in the GMC and the Cadillacs and the other Chevys. Talking from a perspective of design, I really like it. It's really got some unique elements and that are unique to Buick, and that's going to be interesting to watch evolve. Still haven't gotten a new camera yet. There's a reason why. Otherwise, I would just race on out and go grab a camera, no big deal. But and I have a few other cameras, but this one, I really like this camera. There's a specific reason why I haven't gone out and just bought one yet. A reason that I can't reveal just yet, but if it works out, then I won't have to go out and buy a camera. You know, we'll see. I'm not sure. You know, I don't really know. Fun I had with Jeff Jensen, getting all dirty. Those are little tiny memories kind of stuck in the lens. Okay, we got some really interesting things happening tomorrow. Going down to Huntington Beach. I'm not going to tell you why just yet. Okay, Thursday we're going to be hanging out with John Grafman. Then we're going to be picking up Ken, and then we're going to go over to Shlomo's. We're going to look at cool cars. Don't forget, Malibu Arts Festival is coming up on the 31st. Going to be having five cars coming to that event. Going to be spectacular wherever you are. I don't care. On the 31st, you got to be at that event. And if you can't make it to that event, then you can just watch the vlog. It makes it that much easier. That's it for vlog 388. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe unless you're already subscribed. Hey, then you're good to go.
We'll see you on the flip side.